Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to boost the volume on any Poco phone. Now, first of all, make sure that your speakers are not blocked by any dust or debris. Now once you have done that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on sounds and vibration. Now from here, just increase and decrease the volume by sliding the bar and check if this increases the volume. Now once you have done that, just scroll down. Now from here, just tap on sound effects. Now from here, just tap on graphic equalizer. Now from here, try each preset and check if this increases the volume. And also you can tap on custom and you can create your custom sound profile. Just like that. Now from here, once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, tap on Play Store. Now from here, just search Volume Booster. Now from here, scroll down and download this app. Now as you can see, I have already installed this app on my smartphone. If you have not installed it yet, just tap on Install, and once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, be careful when boosting the volume because it not might only damage your hearing, but it also might break the speakers on your smartphone because they might not be designed to boost the volume. Now from here, you can boost the volume. Just like that. And this is how you can boost the volume on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.